Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn on flash notification for iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to get the flash, which means the flash blink when you get the notification so that you can check the notification for a specific app. So how you can do that? For this, you have to simply turn on the flashlight notification. So for this, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have the latest iOS 18 update. For this, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply go to software update. And after checking for the software update that you have latest iOS 18, you have to simply again go to settings. And this time you have to simply go to accessibility. And after opening the accessibility, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of audio and visual. So here you have to simply click on that, and if you scroll it down, then there will be option available for LED flash for alerts. So if you turn on this toggle, then that means you will get the LED flash blink when you get a notification. So here is also option available when you want to turn on the flash when your mobile is unlocked, which means if you are using your iPhone, then you can also get the flashlight notification. So you can also select for the flash in silent mode. So if you want to get the flash light notification when your iPhone is in silent mode, you can also select that. So in this way, you can simply get the notification setting for this. And after that, you can also check the notification settings. So which of the apps you want to get the flashlight notification, you can simply check these settings in the apps notification. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.